Assembling the shovel mount for your IBEX. Lay out the provided parts. When mounting through the MOLLE panel, use the 2 bolt mounts on the sides. The cutout in the middle is provided for third-party mounting hardware. Insert 2 M6 bolts and flat washers into the back plate. Thread through MOLLE panel and into the back of the shovel mount. Ensure the KUAT logo reads from bottom to top. Repeat steps for the second mount. To mount a shovel, loosen bottom and top bolts on the mount. Once loose, the top bolt can be flipped out. The shovel mount will drop open. Close the mount after shovel is in place. Slide top bolt back into position and tighten both bolts. And don't forget, this accessory, like all our products, is covered by our No Worries limited warranty. We've got your rack and your back.